Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PayPal checkout in a Shopify store, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate PayPal checkout in your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the settings option located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on Payments to access the payment settings for your store. In the Payments section, look for the PayPal alternative. You will see options such as PayPal Express Checkout. Click on the Activate button next to that option. If you do not have a PayPal account yet, you will be prompted to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your PayPal account. If you already have a PayPal account, enter your PayPal email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Activate button to connect your PayPal account to Shopify. You might be directed to PayPal to log in and grant permissions. Log into your PayPal account to proceed with the integration. After logging in, follow the prompts to complete the connection back to your Shopify store. Once the connection is established, return to your Shopify payments settings. Make sure that the PayPal option is enabled for your customers at checkout. You can also customize PayPal settings, such as transaction notifications, customer payment options, and shipping details. Scroll down to review any additional PayPal options that Shopify offers, such as refund settings. Once you have configured everything, save your settings. Finally, perform a test transaction to ensure that PayPal checkout is functioning correctly in your store. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully activate PayPal checkout in your Shopify store. This will enhance your customers' payment experience and potentially increase your sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.